This Delta Electronics laptop charger is compatible with the models of Acer laptops listed. The output specification of this charger is 19 volts, 3.42 amps and 65 watts. You should check the item you are replacing has this specification, which you can find on the label of your old charger. The charger uses a 3-pin cloverleaf power cable, which is included in the package along with the charger, ready for immediate use. The charger has a black 3mm connector. You should check that your old charger has this connector, as there are other types of chargers which are commonly confused with this item. For example, the larger 5.5mm yellow round connector, and the USB Type-C connector. This charger is fully UL safety certified, meaning it has been tested in a globally reputable test laboratory and confirmed to be compliant with electrical safety regulations.